Today, we're going to tackle the problem of finding the median of two sorted arrays using Python. This is number 4 on the LeetCode problems. We'll explore a solution that utilizes the binary search approach. This Python solution involves dividing the arrays into two parts such that the elements on the left are smaller than the elements on the right. Now, before we take a look at the code and break it down step by step, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and with that out the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so they give us a class named solution with a method find median sorted arrays. The method takes in two sorted arrays, nums1 and nums2, and returns the median as a float value. We begin by comparing the lengths of the two arrays. If nums1 is longer than nums2, we swap them to ensure nums1 is always the shorter array. This simplifies the subsequent calculations. We initialize variables start and end to track the indices of nums1 during the binary search process. Additionally, we store the lengths of both arrays in variables x and y. Inside the while loop, we calculate the midpoint of the binary search by finding the divisions division1 and division2. These divisions separate the arrays into two parts. To determine the elements on the left and right sides of the divisions, we consider four cases. x1 represents the left element of nums1, x2 represents the right element of nums1, y1 represents the left element of nums2, and y2 represents the right element of nums2. We then compare x1, x2, y1, and y2 to check if they satisfy the condition for finding the correct divisions. If x1 is less than or equal to y2 and y1 is less than or equal to x2, we found the correct divisions. If the total number of elements x plus y is even, we calculate the median by taking the average of the maximum of x1 and y1 and the minimum of x2 and y2. If the total number of elements is odd, we simply assign the maximum of x1 and y1 to the median. And finally, if y1 is greater than x2, we adjust the start index for the binary search. Otherwise, we adjust the end index. Alright, now let's go ahead and run it. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below. Drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.